Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Tuesday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And we're looking at today. Today we only have Canadian CPI at 12:30 Ghana time. So what is happening to gold? Yesterday was crazy. But yes, of course, we're able to catch some nice trade. Okay. So first of all, daily chart, what is happening? Now, I remember telling you guys about this breakout, right? I told you guys about this breakout and also told you about the expectation that gold can come all the way to test this zone. But yesterday, gold actually did a lot. That was during the midnight time. It dropped and then flew. Right. So what is likely to happen today? Um, we can also see clearly that, yep, it's still closed below this level right there. So can we expect a push to the 41 for a drop? Let's go to H4. Looking at H4, we can see that there was some kind of a range which was broken and the market came to test. That was yesterday and dropped. And you can also see that it broke above this structure right here. Okay. So the question is, are we testing this area for the market to keep selling down? Or we are going all the way up to test the next breakout, which is this zone at the 41, 42, as I mentioned earlier. We just have to wait. And if that is happening, then we will have to wait for the fair value gap H4 at the 44. Yeah, exactly 44 for a sell right there. Okay. Yeah. So all we need is to exercise patience. And you can also see that this particular structure here, the market is still respecting, right? I mean, this, yeah, the market has still respected after multiple touches. The market has still respected again and again. Does it mean that it is too strong for it to break? And if that is the case, then we are going to experience another push again for the market to fly, right? So for now, what we need is to exercise patience, relax, and watch the market do what it wants to do. And once we get a good opportunity, we can actually trade. All right. H1. Now, if you look at H1, you can see that the market came testing this particular level right there and gave a bullish engulfing, came for a pullback, and now you can see that another H1 has also closed another bullish engulfing above this structure right here, indicating that, of course, we can push all the way to the 44. And if it doesn't respect, then we are going to break that structure and keep on pushing up. All right. Yeah. So what can we actually do? What we can actually do is to wait here, wait in this zone and observe. When the market gets there and it reacts, it gives us reasons to sell, we will sell. If it doesn't give us reasons to sell, we will wait for the breakout, right? Wait for the breakout and come for a pullback, then we will continue on buying to the upside, or it retests like this and we sell it down. Another scenario is that once it has broken here, it can push, come back here, and also fly and break the structure. All right. So all these are possibilities, and what we need is patience to see what is going to happen by London session and also during the New York session. Don't be in a hurry trying to trade at all times or by hook or crook. Oh, I must trade. It is not a must to trade. You only trade when you have reasons. All right. You only trade when you have reasons. So the pullback will happen back to the 35, definitely, for it to push all the way to the 48, 44, 48 zone. There we are going to see what is going to happen. 30 minutes. Now, if you look at 30 minutes, can we get anything to talk about? No. Right. So on 30-minute charts, we just have to watch. Okay, you just have to watch and observe either the market is going to sell from here back to this zone or continue on flying above this zone. Okay. Or, so these are all the scenarios. Pull back here and then fly here above this zone. Okay. All these are possibilities. And all we need is patience. And we are going to see to the very end whether the market is going to respect or it's going to break. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share the video as well. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.